Okay, this is a sort of a test video. Mitch is here, Jimmy. This is sort of a test video because I've been using my cell phone and I'm beginning to get a clicking noise. She's coming. Been sort of a clicking noise, and I've taken the case off here to see if maybe that's the problem.
Hello.
Hi. I wonder if I'm wondering if the clicking noise I've been hearing when I've been using the cell phone to make a video, I've been wondering if that has something to do with the case. Talking to myself, that's kind of bad, isn't it? I'm wondering, you know, I checked the case. I have one, I always buy those heavy duty cases for my cell phones, and in order to protect it. So, but this one, on the videos I've been making, there's been a clicking noise, and I tried to, you know, I checked the case and see if there was anything. I haven't been able to find anything that could be causing it, but this is my little test video to if there's no clicking sound, and you'd notice it if there was. Like the video I just made the other day, a short one that's about 2 minutes of the cat. You hear the clicking you hear the clicking a lot. So I'm thinking it has to be the case. And I took the case off, and now this Pixel 5A or whatever it is, 4A or whatever it is. Man, it feels small with that big old rubber case on it. And I haven't dropped, I'm pretty careful. I haven't dropped my cell phone in a long time, if ever. Well, I tell you when I do drop it, but I never go anywhere. I have like cargo pants. I really like them. When I go someplace, to the doctor's office, that's the only place I go. Well, when I was going to the casino, I would, when I would go to the bathroom or at the bathroom of the casino, sit down. Well, of course, I'd pull the pants down, wouldn't I? Anyway, it would fall out of the cell phone would then be on the bathroom floor. Wonderful, wonderful, you know. Isn't that just what you want? And that's the only time it did that. And really, that wasn't a fall. It was like sliding out of the pocket. And of course, that was, turn this around. Of course, that was totally unnecessary, because on the cargo pants, there's a button. It never occurred to me to, button it up. So, anyway, I just made a video, by the way. In fact, I'm uploading right now as I'm out here, and so the video will be a little bit online, and it's on Blue Alert. What is a Blue Alert? And it'll be online here in a little bit. And this video, I'm not sure if I will, sun is in my eyes. I'm not sure if this video will be uploaded. I could just listen. I think I'll probably upload it, because you may have had because you've heard the problem, and and if this fixes it, then you know. that I have solved the problem that has bothered people for centuries and centuries. People have worried about, why is there a clicking sound when I make a video? Anyway, I'm going to stop this and listen to it, and if the clicking is gone, I know that it was my case that did it. If not, then my cell phone is haunted in some way.